Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today the video is going to be a little different as we're going to be talking about a cloud mining website, which I personally think is the best one I have come across until today. This one does do cloud mining of TRON and the return have been pretty crazy. When you guys hear the numbers, you will also be very surprised in terms of how much return you can get from Meta TRX. Before we get into it, if you guys do want to stay up to date with everything to do with cloud mining, the best places to mine Bitcoin and stuff like that, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video so the video gets pushed out to more people by the YouTube algorithm. More people see the full potential of Meta TRX. They decide to take full use of it, and a lot of people make a lot of money. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. One thing I do want to mention is this account that you guys are seeing on the screen is my account. I started it about 3 days ago. Let's just say it's doing pretty well, but before it gets all complicated, let's start from the simple steps. First of all, to sign up for the site, all you need to do is go to the description. I'll leave a link to the site. Once you do get there, you will see a page like this. You simply need to go ahead and put in your number, put in a password that you personally like, go ahead and put in the password again to make sure it is secure. Then you just need to go down and put in the caption, which is going to be 47SJ for me, and then just go ahead and click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, it will be done and you will be put inside of the site. Once you are here, at this point you guys will see that your account has 600 TRON already, which is close to $55 from the price today. Now I want to run you guys through this website so it's much easier for you guys to understand what is going on. So if you decide to scroll down, you will be able to see your wallet, you will be able to see your promotion account. If you decide to go down a little bit more, you can see join to be a TRON millionaire, use cloud mining and DeFi technology to ensure that all the users get the most TRX revenue. They have close to accumulated $22 million. And at the same time, they have just over 2 million members. Cloud mining offered a potentially cost-effective way of mining for Bitcoin TRX and other cryptocurrencies. At the same time, both quantitative trading and DeFi technology will allow you to easily participate in blockchain transactions with a small amount of capital and obtain stable income like insurance. So pretty much it is like a DeFi website, and you can see their global partners are pretty big names, so it is a secured place to have your money so you can earn money over time. Now one thing which I really like about the site is if you decide to go on share, you will be given a link which is an affiliated link. If you have a friend that is looking into crypto and wants a stable income, if they decide to use your link to get into the site, you will be receiving 30 TRON. Now this can be used by as many people and there is no limit. You can have 1,000 people joining and you will be given 30 every single time, which is close to 30,000 TRON. So there is no limit on top of that. Now at this point your account has not been activated yet. To actually activate your account, you need to recharge some TRX, and that could be as little as 10 TRON or 10 TRX, which is just like $1 in US currency. If you do want to activate your account, it's very simple. You just need to click on deposit, and you guys will be given an address. You simply just need to go ahead and copy the address, and if you guys use Binance like myself, you just need to buy some TRON inside of Binance. Then you guys need to go ahead and click on withdraw. Then you need to put in the address that you're given, and as soon as you put it in, you guys will see that the address will show up and the network will be selected automatic for you, which will be TRON. At this point you just need to go ahead and put in the amount that you want to send to your Meta TRX account. Me personally, I'm just going to go with 10 for now. Now click on withdraw, and then if you guys do have the two-step verification, just put in your email code and also your two-step verification code, click on submit, and then you guys will notice that the transaction will come to an end. Now you guys just need to make your way back to your Meta TRX account, and you guys just need to wait about 30 seconds to a minute and then refresh your account, and you will notice that your total balance will go from 600 to 609 if you just sent 10 like myself. If you did decide to send more TRON, it is obviously going to go up to whatever you sent. Now once it has been deposited, at this point you will be able to use the withdraw function. As you guys can see right now, I do not have it deposited, so that's why my withdrawal will not be allowed. It is 0. But once you do deposit your first one, you will be given the function, and now you will be able to go ahead and withdraw. And as soon as you make your first deposit, the cloud mining will start. Let me just show you my accounts. It's much clearer for you. So as you guys can see, I have 740. If I go to trading, you can see in the past 3 days, I have made 41 TRX every single day. And then I can go ahead and click on receive. Make sure you do this every single day. Just log in once a day and just take your TRX, because if it is left in there for too long, it can go away. And once you do receive it, it will be added into your total balance, and you guys will be able to go ahead and spend it. Now what's really cool is, I personally want to say, is if you do decide to invite someone, you will receive 30 TRX if they use your link. But if that person decides to deposit some TRX in their account, you will be receiving 10% off that as well. So if the person decides to put in 100 TRX, you will get 10 in your account. Don't worry, your friend is not going to lose out the 10, but you're just going to get a little bit of profit because you did invite your friend to this website. Now once your TRX that you have sent to this account, once it's been added to your account, as you guys can see, for me it is 609 now. Now you can go to the withdraw function and you will see that your withdrawal limit will go up from 0, and now you will be able to withdraw some TRX. Now the withdrawal limit will be higher depending on how much TRON you recharge for your account, so it will be different for everyone. If you do decide to put in between 50,000 to 0 TRX, you will be receiving 2.8% return every single day. If you decide to go from 50,000 to 200,000, you will get a 3.3% return. From 200k to 500k, it's 4.3k, and then if you decide to go over 500k TRON, you will be getting 5.3% return per day, which is insane. You just need to make sure you log in every single day and claim your reward, because you do not want to miss out on it. And as you can see, it is a very simple site, and personally I think the returns are insane. I haven't seen this much return in any mining sites, and this one is doing the best, and TRON is the best currency to buy right now when it comes to the price. Now one thing I really like is the promotional thing, which is if you decide to invite someone, you get 30 TRON, but the person you invited, if they decide to invite someone, you also get 20 TRON, and if the second person decides to invite someone, you get 10, which is level 3. Now the same thing applies, so level 1, level 2, level 3. If the level 1 decides to put in some money, you will be receiving 10%. If the level 2 decides to put in some money, you will be receiving 6%. If the level 3 decides to put in some money, you will be receiving 3%. So you guys can see it is a good return no matter what. At the same time, if you do want to withdraw the limit, all you need to do is just get the address of your Binance TRON. You just need to go ahead and put it in here, put in the amount that you want to send to your Binance, and then just click on withdraw after putting in your password for your safety, and it will be added to your Binance account. Other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Personally, I'm going to be a little invested in this site, just want to stay up to date with everything. Other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.